In the VPAR project, we have designed a new course type called social course, which we use for showing and sharing and commenting on videos. So in this platform, you will have the front page, which is just the newest videos. There are 8 of them, 8 latest videos in the system. And then you have some categories: reading, writing, listening, speaking, and so forth. These are categories that you can edit and create and delete yourself from the admin. So we also have them in the menu over here. And if you go to view all videos, you just get all the videos in the system with the more button. But if you go to the categories, you just get the videos from that category. You can then sort them via view count, rating, and comments count, an upload date, ascending. And you can see the history of the videos that you've already seen. So these are videos I have seen, and they are in my history. For the upload section, you can upload a YouTube video. So if I take a YouTube URL here and I decide that this is a tutorial video, then it takes the title from the YouTube video straight from YouTube. You can always edit it, but this is the title that you get. And then the description is for you to fill out. You can even have some text formatting in the description. You can then disable the comment section if you like, and then you just upload the film. In my videos, these are the videos I have uploaded. So if I want to edit it, I can edit the category, the title, and the description of it. I can also delete any of my videos from the system that I want to delete. The saved videos is videos that I have seen, and if I want to, let's see, this video, I want to save it for later use because I think that was a good one. It will be under my saved videos, and I can also delete it from my saved videos list again. I can follow a user, and I do that by going into a video. If we have a video with Torsten here, I'll just say Torsten has uploaded this video, and I like Torsten's videos. So I can follow the user by clicking this button, or I can go to Torsten's page and see all the videos that he has been uploading, and then I can follow him from here, and then he will be in my list of followed users. If I go to, let's see, Spirula's here, I can unfollow her as well if I don't want to follow her videos anymore. Okay, let's see Spirula's video here. I will just...
Hello from sunny Cyprus.
Okay. I can rate the video. So if I think this video is really good, I can give it 5 out of 5 stars. I can comment on her video here, and I can see that there's already been a comment here and a reply to the comment. So if I click the show reply button, I get the replies for this comment. Because I'm an admin, I can delete or edit comments and sub-comments, but normally you can only edit your own comments or sub-comments or comments to your comment. Or if it's your video, you will be able to edit all of the comments. So this is the system here. You have a small notification button, so every time something new happens, anybody uploads a video, or if there's a comment to your video or a comment to your comment, they will be up here in the notification. In the profile, you have I'm an admin, so I don't have the ability to edit my profile. But if you created your own user, we have the possibility of creating own users. So you can have a I want to create a user button on the front page. Then you can edit your profile info here, and you can also delete your account from in here. So if I log out, I have a create user option here, and I can create a new user, and I will have a verification email, and then I'll have a new user on the system. So this is the social course for the VCC system. Thanks.